Life can get busy, but keeping up with daily dust and dirt doesn't have to slow you down. With the Roomba 600 series vacuuming robot from iRobot, it doesn't have to. You don't even need to be at home to do the cleaning. The iRobot Home app allows you to clean and schedule on the go. Just press Clean, and the robot goes to work, navigating around your home to find dust and dirt wherever they hide, cleaning along walls and sweeping dirt from edges and corners. The Roomba vacuuming robot moves easily from hard floors to carpet and over thresholds. It cleans under furniture, around clutter, and avoids stairs and other drop-offs. The patented 3-stage cleaning system loosens, lifts, and suctions dirt, dust, and even large debris. The Roomba 600 series cleans for up to 60 minutes, then automatically returns to the home-based charging station, so it's always ready to clean. You can schedule the robot to vacuum every day of the week. And with the iRobot Home app, you can connect to clean from anywhere, anytime. Let the Roomba 600 series help with the vacuuming, so you're free to handle everything else life throws your way. You and iRobot, better together.
Our homes are digitally connected to us like never before. We control many parts of our home life from the palm of our hand, so why not the way we clean our floors? Meet Neato Botvac Connected, the robot vacuum with a brain. Botvac Connected is smart app enabled. This means you can clean your home from anywhere you have an internet connection, at any time. Neato delivers the latest and most powerful floor cleaning technology. Thanks to laser smart mapping and navigation, Neato knows where it is, where it's been, and where it's going. Its methodical technique means a deeper, thorough clean in less time than other robot vacs. Neato goes where no round bot has gone before. With its sleek, low-profile D shape and corner-clever technology, Neato knows how to reach dirt and dust that likes to hide underneath ledges and in dark corners. Neato's SpinFlow Power Clean technology combines potent suction and precision brushes to leave hard floors, carpet, and even baseboards immaculately clean. And when it comes to best friends, Neato knows how to suck up every last pet hair, no matter where it chooses to hide. A bigger dirt bin and ultra-high performance filter means it can pick up more dust and hair than other bots. Switch to Eco mode for a quieter clean and longer runtime from the lithium-ion battery, or choose Turbo mode for a deeper clean. Neato knows what's out of bounds thanks to easy-to-use boundary markers. It knows to avoid stairs and ledges. It knows how to see and clean in the dark. It knows when to clean when you tell it to. And now, it knows your life from the palm of your hand. It even knows when it needs to recharge, and it's smart enough to pick up right where it left off. Yes, this is one smart bot. So there you have it. Neato, the smartest, most powerful connected robot vacuum on the market.